What's going on YouTube? This is J-Mac here. Just doing a little home video today. If any of you guys have water softeners and a little bit curious about what to do with them. If you have soft water and it goes hard, I'm going to show you what to do. So this is the salt that I use for my water softener. Let's go around here. And I'll show you my water softener. You can see I already put one bag in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put one more. And my water wasn't hard or anything, but I got these dropped off. I have mine through a local water softener company. I had them put it in several years ago, and they drop off a couple bags as I need them, like every few months or whatever, every 4 months or something. I don't use that much water. And they drop them off. They're like $10 for the bag of salt. And it's like 50 pounds. Yeah, it's a 50-pound bag. So let's fill this thing up. And there you have it. And that will last my water softener for, oh, I'm good for several months at this point with my water usage. But there you go, guys. If you're interested in how to fill up your water softener, there you go. It's pretty simple.